7th grade, you should be working on your warm-ups for 4.6, solving inequalities using multiplication or division. It's very similar to what we were doing with equal equations, where you are solving for the variable. Let me see what you're doing. Oh yeah, these are just finding a common denominator and adding or subtracting. Yes, let me check it. All right, so for this key idea, the big thing for you to remember is with dealing with multiplication and division properties, whatever you do to one side of the inequality, you do to the other side, and then the inequality will still function. For instance, if I have -4 is less than 6, that's a true statement, correct? So if I do the same thing to both sides, the statement should still be true. So if I multiplied both sides by 2, since I'm doing the same thing on both sides of the inequality, it still is a true statement. For instance, what's 2 times -4?
8.
-8. 2 times 6? 12. So I've redone my inequality. Is this still a true statement?
Yes.
Yeah, because we did the exact same thing to both sides. Still works with division. If I have 4 is greater than -6, and I divide both sides by 2, what's 4 divided by 2?
2.
And -6 divided by 2?
-3.
Is -3 still less than 2?
Yeah.
Absolutely. So this statement is still a true statement. Question.
How do you find number 2?
You can't.
What do you mean find number 2?
How do you get number 2?
Oh, we didn't.
This is an example. I don't understand your question.
Just get a random number.
Oh, how did they choose 2 here? They just picked a number. They're just showing as an example. If I multiplied this side times 2, I have to multiply the other side times 2. It's just showing you the rule that you have to follow.
It's not part of the problem.
Yeah, it's not a problem. It's just showing you that no matter what I do, if I multiply the 4 times a 2, I have to multiply the 6 times a 2 in order for this to still be a true statement.
You can do it with any number.
Right. I could choose 100. It doesn't matter. Okay, so let's go look at the example. Shh, guys, there's a lot of extra talking. All right, put this in your journals.
Okay.
So we're going to solve x over 5 is less than or equal to -3. So you need to write that down. X over 5 is less than or equal to -3. I didn't even plug my speaker in, so I'm all talking in the mic and it's not plugged in. Like a goober.